Meet the Flash, the human lightning bolt with zero chill. He's not just fast, he's the reason time moves. Standing still, that's not an option. Blinking, try it. He'll already be halfway through a multiverse meltdown. What you're getting, a pose so intense it looks like he's charging at a villain and dodging student loans at the same time. Arms mid-motion like he just remembered he left the oven on in another universe. The sheer energy of a man powered by caffeine, justice, and unresolved trauma. May cause spontaneous slow-motion scenes in your living room. The overwhelming urge to shout, "Run, Barry, run!" for no reason. Unexplainable gusts of wind when no windows are open. So if you're ready to add a literal lightning bolt of anxiety and heroism to your collection, this is your guy.